Hello everyone, it's Alexandra with WTI, and when I switched from a Windows computer to a MacBook computer, I realized that there were some things that I could not directly plug into my MacBook computer. And it represented a challenge because I really wanted to use my MacBook. And that is when the uni adapter became a lifesaver. Basically, all I have to do is just to plug this end of the adapter into my MacBook. And then I have here three different slots that I can use. And I also have this one right here that I can use to connect directly to the Ethernet. So I remember that I needed to use a headset, and at the same time, I had to be connected to the Ethernet directly. So the uni adapter was what helped me. I just connected my headset in one of these slots, and then I connected directly to the Ethernet through this space right here. And it is very easy to use. All I had to do was just to connect this end onto my MacBook computer, and I was able to just work as usual, work normally. And that is my point of view.